Sometimes when you open an AutoCAD drawing, as you see right here, it's obvious that there's an image that isn't showing up. And sometimes you'll even see a little faint idea of where that image is supposed to be located. So let's see how we can get that image back in there. So one way to do it is to click on the image and then open the external references bar. And you'll see that that one is the Google map and it's not loaded. And so sometimes you'll see it look like this and you need to sort of look at the details and look at them a little bit bigger. Let me get that to show so I can see more of it at once. And the details are what the name, what the status, what the type, where it's found, and where it's been saved. So if you click on that, you get some three little dots here, and you can always go find that again. Okay, and tell it where it really is on your computer. It may be somewhere that it can't be found on the other computers. So, oops, wrong one. Got to get into the right one. I'm not even sure where I've got that thing. I'm pretty sure it's on the instructor files. Come on down here to me. There we go. And Google Map of Setup. So you can go find it wherever you put it and make sure that it's there. And then it shows up and it says loaded. Sometimes you actually have to click. I just did a right click right there. Sometimes you have to right click to get unload, reload, detach, or attach, or open. But that's how you get an image back that seems to be missing. And that's why you always need to send both the file and any images that go together. Okay, there you go. That's a quick one on how to get your image back so that then it shows up properly on all your other views.